Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we got to another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and download a Twitter video to your gallery. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we will simply go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, open your Twitter. Once the Twitter is open, go ahead and find the video you would like to download. So for example, this is the video, right? You will tap on that video, and then if you see below, you will find this share button icon. Simply go ahead, tap on that share icon, go ahead, copy the link over here, go back, open your phone browser, go ahead, type in Twitter video downloader, then you will find this kind of option. So go ahead, tap on this SSS Twitter over here, and go ahead, paste your link, tap on download, and you will simply be able to download that particular video there in your gallery. So yes guys, this is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yes, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.